Hello everybody, today we will discuss dominant 7th chords. So just like other 7th chords, it would have 4 tones, so you have root, major 3rd, perfect 5th. Check it out here, a flat 7 interval. Root, that's a major 3rd, perfect 5th, minor 7th, okay? So for example, if we do that in C7, that would be C, E, G, and B flat. And we can notate it as a C7 chord. Sometimes we see something like this as well, but mostly just this. Alright, so that's how we would notate it. So overall, this chord is very special. Check out the, I'm putting asterisks here. Alright, check out the 3rd. So that's a major 3rd. And a flat 7, so a minor 7th of chord. And in this case, for C7, that would be E and B flat, right? They are actually, okay, what's the interval between them? Alright, that's a diminished 5th or an augmented 4th. So basically these two are the same. They have two different names, okay? So, but they're exactly the same thing when played on the instrument. So E to B flat, it's actually a diminished 5th interval. So, it has a very dissonant interval embedded in the chord, a diminished 4th. So, for 7 chords, mostly, they are unstable sounding. So, let me go back up here. See the E and the B flat here is actually a diminished 5th apart. So that gives the dominant 7 chord a very unstable sound, okay? So let's take a listen to the dominant 7 chord. So we are doing it starting with the C note. You have this major 3rd. Alright. See? So if I compare that to the major 7, it sounds pretty stable. This one's giving the chord a little bit of a edge. Sorry, so dominant 7th, major 7th. If I do that in minor, so that would become pretty stable sounding overall. Again, if you compare that to the dominant 7th, the dominant 7th has the most edge. Alright, so that's our dominant 7th chord here. Remember, due to the major 3rd and then minor 7th degree of the chord, you have this diminished 5th interval embedded in the dominant 7th chord structure. So inherently, overall, it's very unstable sounding. Okay, so you hear it a lot in blues. Let's work out again a few examples. Let's do that in G, D, A, E first. Okay, so I'm going to write out the chord tones for G7. So G, major 3rd, B, 5th, and then F. D7, that would be D, F sharp, A, and then C. A7, that should be A, C sharp, E, and then G, a minor 7th. E7th, so that should be E. G sharp, B, and then what else? And then a D, right? Let's do a couple more. F, B flat, E flat, A flat, D. So F7, that should be F, major 3rd, and then a C, and then E flat. E flat 7, that should be B flat, B flat, D major 3rd, B D flat F, and then we have an A flat. Alright. E flat 7, that should be E flat, G, B flat, and then we have D flat. Alright. A flat 7, we will have A flat, A flat C major 3rd, E flat perfect 5th, and then you will have G flat as your minor 7th. D flat 7th, so that would be D flat, F, A flat, and then C flat as your minor 7th. Alright, so that's it for this video. In the next video I'm going to talk about diminished 7th chord, so see you there.